How to set up travel notice on Bank of America application. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started. So for that, you may go ahead and open up your Bank of America application or the website, which is bankofamerica.com. After that, you can set up Bank of America travel notice on your mobile app. So you can log in and hover over to the help and support menu tab within your Bank of America application for that. Once you do so, you can click on Set Travel Notice in the drop down menu. Just go ahead and find it up. After that, you just need to enter up your destination, your travel dates, your contact number, and cards you're taking with you, and share any other travel details you think are relevant. And once that is done, you will be setting up a Bank of America travel notice through your mobile application or through your online account on Bank of America. So therefore, you may also follow up this process in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.